Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change background picture using Photoshop. It's a very simple method, very simple way to change your background picture easily. Hi guys, welcome to your own favorite channel iTech Universe. If you are visiting my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe and press bell icon for such a more good information. So today's Photoshop session we will learn how to change background picture. So without delay, let's start. First open Photoshop, click on file, open, select image, okay, click on open. Now right click on background on right side bottom of corner, click on duplicate layer. I change the name of this layer, duplicate background. Click on OK and hide background. Now zoom it. Press Ctrl with plus for zoom in. And press Ctrl with minus for zoom out. Now cut the body properly. There are a lot of tools in Photoshop like lasso tool, quick selection tool and pen tool. Here I will use quick selection tool. See, quick selection tool is over here on left hand panel. Click and mouse over here. Look at here, the selection area is out of body, right? I mean area is not selected properly. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to do press Alt key. When I press Alt key, then see plus will be convert minus, right? See? Now hold on Alt key and mouse over here. Okay? Look at here, this portion is selected but this portion is not selected, right? So now we have to select this portion. Okay, select polygonal lasso tool, and press Alt key and click. Okay, now press Ctrl with minus, zoom out. After selected area, click on select, refine as. Smooth to feather 1, and now click on OK. You can also open refine edge in another way. Right click here, refine edge. Okay, click on layer, new, layer by copy. You can also open a same layer by copy in another way. Right click here, layer by copy, and also press Ctrl plus Z. Ctrl plus Z is also used to create a layer by copy. I mean to create a duplicate layer. Okay, and hide duplicate background. Now zoom out. Now we have to take the background picture. Click on File, Open, and select background picture. Click on Model JPG. Press Ctrl plus A, select all. Press Ctrl plus C, copy, and press Ctrl plus V, paste. Zoom in. See a little bit problem here, right? Now click on Add Layer Mask. And the foreground color is black and the background color is white. Okay, now take the brush here and mouse over here. See how easy to change the background picture, right? Look at so realistic. We take one more background picture, click on file, open, select image and click on open. Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V, paste. Look at here, picture is looking so nice, right? If you want to learn something related Photoshop, then friends, like, comment, subscribe and share to as many people as possible so that we bring good video for you. Hope you like and I will catch you on next video. Thank you so much for watching.